The Farmer's Toast. Bread. Where does it come from? Is the latest story from Potting Shed Publishing. Written by child development experts and talented artists, the story follows Mr. and Mrs. Farmer who discover their flour bin is empty. How will they make their morning toast? Wait! There's a little wheat left in the field by the hedge. Follow their funny and educational adventure of making a whole loaf of bread from just a few stalks of wheat left over in the field. Will there be enough to reap?
Reap and cut away.
Winnow, grind into flour, and bake into a delicious loaf for their morning toast? Watch them start the mill wheels turning and knead the flour into dough. Sing along as they wait for the dough to rise.
Waiting for the bread to rise. Does it take all day?
Original music and songs from award-winning composers carry this animated tale along. Fun and educational for all ages. DVD extras included teacher's companion lesson plans, how to grow wheatgrass, sprinkled wheat berries or wheat seeds over the soil. They get about 4 inches tall very quickly. A glossary of milling and bread-making words. Grist mill, a place where wheat is ground into flour. Full-length songs from the story.
Toast, toast, a farmer's recipe. Have some toast on me. Toast!
Preview of the interactive app. Silliness and lessons from Mrs. Twizzleton's Magic Garden.
Hello, Wilda Winkham here with good garden manners and odd information.
Odd information.
Well, when tomatoes were first brought from South America to Europe, the people there all thought they were poisonous.
The award-winning television series shown on public television. And more.
Shoots out of your ears.
Learn about this and other titles at www.pottingshedpublishing.com.